What I'm about to show today is not publicly marketed yet. Most agents don't even understand it. And if Dubai continues growing the way it has for the last 5 years, this community could become one of the most valuable locations in the city. 6 swimmable lagoons, 65% of massive green land, low-density villas, and developer behind some of the most exclusive communities in the UAE. Zaya is not a new name. This project comes from 20 years of experience from Barari. The developer is Zaya Development by Nadia Zal, daughter of the owner of Barari. She grew up in this business. She worked with her father from a very young age. If you look at Barari today, people forget that it was once a desert. After 3 years, it became one of the most greenest community in Dubai. This is very important because Zaya already proved this concept. Zaya's track record includes several iconic luxury developments. Barari, one of the Dubai's first eco-luxury communities where 80% plus of the land is greenery. Nurai Island, an ultra-luxury private island resort off Abu Dhabi, with beachfront villas and world-class amenities. Zuha Island, Zuha by Zaya, a luxury island villa project on the world islands in Dubai. Five Jumeirah, the vibrant luxury resort community on the Palm Jumeirah. In addition to community developments, Zaya has also expanded into hospitality, lifestyle projects that fuse nature, luxury, and experiential living concepts. The husband of Nadia Zal is actively involved in the construction and serves as the in-house contractor for this property, ensuring alignment of vision and execution from start to finish. In Lunaya, 65% of the land is greenery and only 30% is concrete. This is not common in Dubai. Most developers do the opposite. Here, the sacrifice is on cellular area, not on nature. That's why when you walk inside the community, you don't feel density. You feel space, you feel air, you feel calm. Location is key. The project is directly on Sheikh Zayed Road. This is extremely rare. This is the first villa community on Sheikh Zayed Road since Emirates Hills in 2006. It is located nearby Motion Gate Parks and Resorts, Dubai South. The connectivity, it is 3 minutes from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, and it is just 15 minutes away from the new Al Maktoum International Airport. And the new Al Maktoum International Airport will become the main airport of Dubai. That's why people compare Farm Jebel Ali to Palm Jumeirah, Lunaya to Emirates Hills of the South. Now let's look at the market data and supply. Let's look at the real numbers because it explains the opportunity. In 2025, about 150,000 new residential units were launched in Dubai, around 89% of the apartments and only 11% are villas and townhouses. Historically, villas and townhouses make up around 7% of the housing stock in Dubai, so this segment is structurally scarce. On top of that, only 21 to 22% launched units are delivered in the same year, which means actual supply enters the market slowly because not every developer can acquire such a huge land. So when you combine 11% of villa townhouses launches, 7% of the total secondary market share, and slower delivery timelines, you get limited supply, especially for family homes. This is why villa and townhouses price tend to outperform apartments over time, and why low-density premium communities remain resilient even when apartment supply increases. That's exactly where Lunaya is positioned. Price per square foot and comparison. Let's talk about pricing. Lunaya Villas currently starts from 1800 to 1900 dirham per square foot, which is very competitive for premium family homes in Dubai. To put this perspective, let's look at Dubai Hills Estate. Villas are trading at 2,500 plus dirham per square foot, which is roughly 17 to 25% more expensive. Jumeirah Island trading up to 2,900 dirham per square foot, which is 45% more expensive than Lunaya. Barari Villas over 20% more expensive, and Emirates Hills villas are trading almost 5,000 dirham per square foot, which is 150% more expensive. What this tells us that Lunaya offers a premium lifestyle at the most attractive price per square foot, giving investors strong upside potential without paying high premium of established communities. Before even lagoons became a trend in property developments in Dubai, Barari already had natural lakes, docks, fish, streams, and gardens in Barari community. You could walk 1 hour tour from one garden to another. No cars, kids and adults used to get lost, and that was normal. This is the same philosophy being brought into Lunaya. How Barari does this greenery? Zaya has its own plant nursery. Trees are not planted small. They grow the trees for 3 years until they are mature. Then they place it inside the community. And that's why when you get your keys, within 2 weeks, you see full greenery. You don't wait 5 years for trees to grow and mature. You already have the greenery when you move in. Lagoon dimensions. Some lagoons are 7 meters water, and some have 5 meters green belt. This creates distance between villas and water. Standalone twin villas are on the lagoons. This will not change later. Zaya doesn't redesign communities after handover. Privacy, single row, and density. All villas are single row. You don't look into your neighbor's window. You only see greeneries and trees around you. Community and lifestyle. This is not just housing inside the community. Here you have award-winning Italian and Japanese restaurants, farm restaurants, licensed alcohol venues, wellness and spa, biohacking and longevity center, tennis courts, running and cycling tracks, kids splash areas, outdoor cinema. This is a destination, not just a place to sleep. Design architecture in units. Phase 1 has 564 units, which includes townhouses, villas, twin villas, and standalone villas. All of the unit comes with its own elevator, and the door height is 2 meters, with curved facades, creating shade, creating privacy, and creating elegance. The curves do not affect the internal layout. This is Lunaya by Zaya, a nature-first, low-density luxury community on the Sheikh Zayed Road, built by the same developer behind Barari. This is not a trend project. This is a legacy project. If you would like to know more about this community, reach out to me. My number is in the description below. Drop me a WhatsApp message or get on a call to know more.